everyone, welcome to my channel Ena England. Subscribe so we can stay friends. In this video I will talk about how to quit smoking, and right at the beginning I just want to ask you this question. So go all the way back, the first day when you light that first cigarette, okay? Go there, see the scene in your mind, remember it, and find a motive why you did it, okay? So why in the first place you did it? Why? Okay? And you will find the answer how to stop smoking. When you see that first reason to smoke was probably so ridiculous, like really ridiculous. Take my example. So I was maybe 15, 16 and I was with my friend and she was already smoking, and I just had idea to impress her and to impress everybody else when we go out in a disco club dancing and all of that. I thought it's very sexy to have a cigarette. And as you can see, all these motives are very childish and ridiculous. Your motives could be different, but I think without going back there to find the reason why did you smoke that first cigarette, we'll answer all your questions later. I also don't like to preach in a way like it's bad, don't do it, because for years I was smoking and I didn't like anybody to tell me what to do, and I don't also think that it is really causing too much problems, because I knew a man who was 92 and still smoking, so he didn't have any health issues. So that tells me that it's not directly connected, like if you smoke you will get a disease. There is a possibility for it, okay? So yeah, this is my approach, this is how I did it, how I left that bad habits, and it's a mind game, okay? So for me it was a mind game. If you analyze your first motive, why you did it, and then you just later on you're doing it without thinking too much, it's just automatically, it's connected, like, oh, after a meal, after sex, after I finish my work, oh, I'll have a break, oh, I'll have a fag, la 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 la, and then it just becomes a bad habit which you really don't need, okay? So what you need your food, you need your water, you need, you know, already what you really need. Cigarettes you don't need, and also you can use that money to do something else, because it is a lot of money after all. Yeah, so comment down below, how are you doing? Do you think smoking is really that bad? Do you want to quit, or you don't care? Bye bye, see you in another video. Bye.